5 points to change the mind, to change the life. So, why we want to change the mind? Because the mind is working on us. But what happens when the mind is working on us? It is impulsive, it is habitual, it is instinctive, it has an emotional bondage. So our EQ, not only the IQ, it drops down. Whenever we face the situation outside. And that results into all kinds of mental and emotional problems. So did you get the answer why to change the mind? So what happens when we change the mind? Then we start working on the mind. But how we work on the mind? Through the right knowledge. And that changes the life. So Eastern Wisdom is self-awareness program. It is an emotional freedom program. It is mental transformation program, my friends. Eastern Wisdom, I told you, it's almost 6,000 years old. We have 3,000 teachers and the masters. They explain the same principles differently. Why? Because everyone's mind is unique and different. So it's better to pick up the 5 points to change the mind, to change life. Kaka chesta baku dhyanam swan nidra tathaiva cha alpahari grahatyagi vidyarthi panchalakshanam. We are a student in the journey of the life. Do you agree? Yes. Say yes, we all are students in the journey of life. But what a student should do, that we do not know. That's why we have stress, anxiety, duality, conflict, strain, and long list. So 5 things are there. Kaka chesta, the effort like a crow. Have you heard the story of a crow? There was a pot, the water level was very low. He put the pebble in. So every pebble is your self-awareness. Whenever you are challenged, situation is not favorable, you have an anxiety and stress. Self-awareness pebble, you put one pebble until the water rises, life changes. I'm just taking it briefly. Second point, Baku Dhyanam, the focus like a crane. Have you seen the crane? In a river or a pond, he stands on one foot, waiting for the fish to catch. The mind should be focused on peace and happiness, not on the anxiety, not on the blame, complaint, and reaction. That is where the emotional bondage comes. Second point. And third, Baku Dhyanam, Shwana Nidra Tathaiva, they sleep like a dog. Dog is always relaxed, but sleep like a dog means I'm instantly, the moment any situation warrants, I'm ready, I'm aware, I'm relaxed, I'm calm. And then we filter out the last 2. We filter out the junk thoughts and the food to live our life in peace and happiness. So in a journey to the Eastern Wisdom, sometime I create a program and I cover these 5 issues and the challenges to live life beyond stress.